Hello everyone, my name is Kishori Abdul, Department of Computer Science from SGM College, Karad. Today I am going to deliver lecture on types of errors. When we going to write program, there are lots of errors are occurred. There are various types of error. That types of errors are runtime error, linker error, syntax error. Let us see our first error is syntax error. Syntax error are also known as the compilation error as they occurred at the compilation time. So that syntax error is also called as compilation error. Or we can say that the syntax error are thrown by the compiler. Okay, this is another reason when we call syntax error as compilation error. These errors are occurred mainly due to the mistakes while typing or do not follow the syntax of the specified programming language. When that types of error occurs, when we make any mistake at the time of typing or we do not follow the syntax of specified programming language, at that time syntax error is occurred. These mistakes are generally made by beginners only because they are new to the language. But after errors, okay, these errors can be easily debugged or corrected. Okay, let us see example. Here I define example data type and name of the variable. Here data type is integer and variable name is a. Okay, this is correct form. Okay, another one is also same example data type integer and name of the variable, but here is some mistake. We write name of the data type in first letter is a capital form, so it detects syntax error. Okay, next error is runtime error. Sometimes the error exists during the execution time even after the successful compilation, known as runtime error. Okay, when runtime errors occurs when we compiling the program, okay, when we successfully compiling the program, after that after that runtime error is occurred. Let us see simple example. Here we take hash include header files, stdout.h means standard input output header files. Next one is integer name of the data type and main function. Here is curly bracket open. It defines the body of the whole program. Okay. Here we define two variables of data type integer, and here we also assign value to that variable. A is equal to 2 means A variable stores value 2 and B variable stores value 2 divided by 0. Okay. Semicolon. Semicolon indicates end of the statement. Next one is printf statement. Here we print the value of B is. Okay. Here we print value of B only. And last one is return 0 curly bracket close. So in this program, what is the error? The error is here we take divide by 0. Okay. Here we take divide by 0. At that time runtime error is occurred. Okay. Next is linker error. Linker errors are mainly generated when the executable file of the program is not created. Okay. When we learn structure of C program or debugging cycle of C program, in that we already learned what is the use of linker, what linkers do. Okay, linker converts the obj file means object code to the executable code, means it creates the .exe file. Okay, let us see example. Here we take hash include stdio.h header files. Next one is int name of the data type. Here we take name of the data type and main function. Actual execution starts from main function. Curly bracket open, in between body of the whole program. Here we define variable a of data type integer and variable a stores values 78. Okay, In printf we take the value of a is, okay, here we print value of a. Next, return 0, curly bracket, close, okay. What is the mistake in that program? Here we take main function in first letter is capital letter, okay. So this program cannot create .exe file, means executable file. At that time linker error is occurred, okay. I hope you understand what is mean by linker error are main which is generated at the time of execution and when the execution file is not created, okay. Next one is logical error, okay. The logical error is an error that leads to an undesired output, okay. These errors also produce the incorrect output, but they are error free, known as logical error, okay. When we writing the program, our first step is to save that program with .c extension. Second step is to compile that program, and last is to run that program. When the compilation is successful, after that we run that program, okay. But at some time it happens compilation is successful and we run that program, output is not right, okay, means it generate undesired output, okay. Let us see example. Here we take hash include stdout.h file main function. Here we take variable sum of data type integer. Another variable is k stores value of 1. Here we take for loop, okay. For loop int I is equal to 1 means value of I is initialized with 1. Next one, I is less than equal to 10, semicolon. Next is I plus plus. In curly bracket, here we simply print sum of the number, okay. Here we print sum of the variable, sum of the number. Last, print, okay. So in this example where logical error is occurred, here we take for loop int I is equal to 1 semicolon, I is less than equal to 10 semicolon, and I plus. After the bracket we take here semicolon, okay. Why we use semicolon? Because it indicates end of the statement, okay. A semicolon indicate end of the statement, means what, the loop is not work properly, okay. That types of error gives undesired output. I hope you understand all types of error: runtime error, linker error, logical error, okay. Thank you.